Okay, we have the Falcon Z here by Skymaster, but in the box, here we go. We have some instructions. We do have a spare set of propellers, which is taped inside here, and I can't get it out. There we go. So we got some spare propellers, linkage here, and then a spare tail rotor. Notice they're green. The green is because it is glow in the dark. Oh, and we get a USB charger which plugs directly into the helicopter. And then it is an infrared helicopter, non-altitude hold here. And then we have the 3 channels where you can go on A, B, or C if you want to fly more than one helicopter in the same area. So that way you're on a different channel. You don't want to be on the same channel or you'll be controlling the other person's helicopter. We have our on and off switch here. And then this is just for up and down. And then this is your directions. You can do forward, backwards, left, or right. And then under here, it takes 6 AA batteries. You can also charge the helicopter. I hope I didn't break that. You can also charge the helicopter through the controller as well if you don't have any access to a USB port. Let's try and fix that, get that in there, fix this quick. Okay. And then here it has a light button, and here is a speed button, so maybe it has multiple rates. We'll have to check that out. And then right here, this dial is your trim. Now for the helicopter. There we go. So it does have a alloy frame there. On and off switch is right here. This is also where you plug it in to charge, right there. There's the charging port. So this does come with a 3.7 volt LiPo battery. I'm not sure of the milliamp hour. I was looking in the instruction manual and even on the box, and I didn't see it listed, but I'm going to show you how to get to the battery just in case you have to replace it, or maybe you want to upgrade the battery. So all you do is take those 2 screws out of the top of the canopy there, and then you can pull that out, and there it is. Oh, it's stuck fast. They have the like the 2-sided tape covering the numbers of the, oh, I think I see it. It looks like it's a 200, yep, a 210 milliamp hour LiPo battery. So I'm gonna put this back together and we're gonna go on a quick little flight. So let's try this Skymaster Falcon Z. Now this is infrared and it is recommended to fly indoors, but the sun is down and it's kind of dark. There's no direct sunlight or anything. So I'm gonna fly it here because I think it's more fun to fly outside. The air's pretty still, so we'll see how well it goes. So let's turn the controller on and then we're gonna turn the helicopter on. So we'll do a up, down, and okay. So when it bound like that, the propellers kicked on right away. So I don't know what that's about, but oh yeah, we have a bind. Okay, so I'm gonna take off. I don't really have anywhere to take off from here. This is just grass. I'm not in my usual spot that I usually fly at. Let's take this up in the air. So this is a non-altitude hold. We have the trim right here, which is this one. So if you turn it to the right, you see it's going clockwise. You could turn it in and dial it in better. So now we have a pretty good hover right there. And it is wanting to drift a little bit. So there must be some air moving. But you have your yaw, your left and right yaw. You have forward, and then you have backwards and up and down. So that's all you get. So I'm gonna take it in now. I'm gonna take it inside now. We're indoors and let's take off
Now, as you can see, it's really not glowing. Let me turn this, let me turn the light off there. See, you cannot see it glowing at all. So we'll turn this LED light on just so we know where it's at, because it's kind of hard to see. Let me check that speed button. So I'm hitting the speed button and, oh, maybe it does. It does have a different speed. So the forward is a little faster. I can hear it. I can hear the tail rotor speed change when I hit the button. Okay, I hit the button and now it did slow down. I heard it slow down. And now I just hit the button again and I could hear it speed up. So it has two different speeds. Although the second speed is not much faster than the first speed, you still do get a little more out of it. Uh-oh, we're losing it. And well, that's it. So that was the Falcon Z from Skymaster. And well, you saw what it was about. Right down here is a subscribe button. If you didn't click it already, go ahead and click that. But I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.